Hello. In this video, we want to find all 6 trigonometric functions for the angle alpha of the right triangle with legs of length 1 and 4, as shown in the following figure. So here's the thing. We want all sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent values. In order to do that, we need all of the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse angles, or sides. And to do that, we need to find side C here. We have a triangle of legs 1 and 4, hypotenuse C. Alpha is over here, and the leg that is opposite of the alpha is 1. The leg that is adjacent to alpha is 4. So let's find C, just using the Pythagorean theorem. So this gives us 1 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 1 squared is 1, 4 squared is 16, 1 plus 16 is 17. So C squared equals 17, which of course means C equals the square root of 17. Now that we know what C is, we can figure out sine, cosine, and tangent because of SO, CA, TOA. In this situation, alpha is right here, so the side that is opposite alpha is 1. The side that is adjacent to alpha is 4, and the hypotenuse is, well, always the hypotenuse. Good. Now that we know that, we can plug stuff into this. This tells me that sine alpha is equal to the opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is 1, hypotenuse is the square root of 17. And be sure to rationalize the denominator. Also be sure to write down sine alpha here. Don't just write down sine, very important. So that's going to give us sine alpha is the square root of 17 over 17. Good. Remember, just multiply top and bottom by the square root of 17 there. Next, let's look at cosine alpha. Cosine alpha is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is square root of 17. So that gives me 4 over the square root of 17. Rationalize the denominator. Gives me 4 square root of 17 over 17. Again, multiply top and bottom by the square root of 17. Now for tangent. So tangent alpha is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. 1 over 4. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to keep it as 1 over 4. Good. Now for the other 3, we just take the reciprocal of these. So for cosecant, it is the reciprocal of sine. So cosecant would be 1 over square root of 17 flipped, just becomes square root of 17. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So up here, 4 over square root of 17 flipped becomes square root of 17 over 4. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So flip those two, makes that 4 over 1, or just 4. Awesome. And there you go. These are the 6 trigonometric functions for angle alpha here. Alrighty. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.